The Oracle MICROS Workstation 8 series showcases a subtle aesthetic that seamlessly blends into any environment. With its modular design and flexible options, you can deploy hardware that both aligns with the look of your brand and drives operational efficiency. You can expect the same level of quality and durability that you have come to trust from Oracle MICROS in a modern, ergonomical designed package. In this video, we will unbox one of our pre-assembled kits, which comes with a Workstation 8, low-profile stand, rear-facing customer display, and a peripheral expansion module. It comes assembled out of the box, ready to use after a few simple steps. We also offer a pre-assembled kit that features the vertical stand. Both kits offer next-generation Oracle MICROS technology with an easy setup. Let's get started. First, let's open your box. To complete this step, you'll need a box cutter or something similar. Important note, be sure to apply gentle pressure when cutting the tape, as the devices underneath could be damaged by sharp objects. Once the box is open, carefully take each item from the box and place them nearby. When removing the Workstation 8 from the box, be sure to place it face down with the foam insert underneath to prevent scratches. Once unpackaged, you should have the following items in front of you: the Workstation 8 pre-assembled kits, the RFI sign-in cards, as well as a power supply. You will also find the hex key located on the underside of the stand in the hex key storage location if you need to detach the workstation head or its peripherals. Now let's connect the workstation power supply to the peripheral expansion module. Begin by flipping your pre-assembled unit upside down if it isn't already. Connect the USB-C connector to the power-in port on the peripheral expansion module and feed that cable through the cable management system. The Workstation 8 is now assembled. Plug the power cord into a wall outlet. When ready, power on the workstation by pressing the power button located on the lower right edge. The Workstation 8's pre-assembled kits are ready to use in minutes. The 8 delivers a modern design and fast performance without the complicated setup.
Hey, did you like what you learned? Make sure to check out this video or this link, and of course, subscribe now.